Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a Ford Ranger door lock. First, let's prepare. You will need a few basic tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver, a small flathead screwdriver, and a trim removal tool. Make sure you have the correct replacement lock cylinder for your Ranger model. Before starting, always disconnect the negative terminal of your vehicle's battery for safety, preventing any accidental electrical shorts during the process. Now let's remove the door panel. Begin by finding and removing all screws. These are typically located in the armrest, door pull, or behind small covers. Once the screws are out, use a plastic trim removal tool to gently pry around the edges of the door panel. This will release the retaining clips. Carefully pull the panel away, then disconnect any electrical connectors for switches and the door handle cable before setting the panel aside. With the door panel off, you can now access the lock cylinder. Look for a small retaining clip or screw that holds the cylinder in place from the inside of the door. Carefully remove this fastener. Then, gently pull the old lock cylinder out, making sure to disconnect it from the internal linkage rod. Take your new lock cylinder, insert it into the opening, and securely reattach it to the linkage and the retaining clip or screw. Finally, it's time for reassembly and testing. First, reconnect all electrical connectors to the door switches and reattach the door handle cable. Carefully align the door panel with its mounting points and firmly press it back into place until all the retaining clips snap securely. Reinstall all the screws you removed earlier. Once everything is back together, reconnect your vehicle's battery and thoroughly test the new door lock cylinder to ensure it operates smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.